Alright, so might as well show this. Post-box survival here. I figure if you're in a post-apocalypse, what would you want? Your beard. Pretty good. Also, you see, I used one of the things to cut around here. So yeah. The other side has my, this is an Airman Jack thing, by the way. So, I'm going to show you the things one by one. As y'all know, I do have some beard recovery and face lotion. I've actually decided to put this with this, because it's part of beard grooming. So you can hydrate your face. Also, by the way, this expires 10/12/28. I'm assuming just the beard oil, really. But yeah, first, beard balm. I'm doing it by hard to get open thing. Some beard balm. It does smell like sandalwood. This is for styling and for conditioning. That smells good, to be honest. So yeah, show you how to use it. Oh, I forgot to show you what it looks like. Looks like that. Standard beard balm. Then, the beard oil, which is in, as you'll see, it's not that big of a bottle. We will see. But yeah. I went with Everyman Jack because I know this is a trusted brand. You know, I didn't want to go with a Chinese type brand. This smells like sandalwood. Also, this is a part of hydrating. This is for styling and conditioning. It is for conditioning and all that. So, you know. Now, next thing is beard shears. It comes with a mini comb in the pouch and the shears. It does work. It is sharp. I did actually cut around the mustache soul patch thing. Of course, it is this. This is actually, you know, kind of smells like leather. So yeah, this is sharp, by the way. You know how I know? I can't see it, but this is sharp and it will work for what it needs to do. See? And it is actually like scissors. But I guess if you're in a most situation, you can use these to get shears off. Or get, I don't know, whatever. And here's the cute whittle comb. I like that. Smaller comb. I guess this is that you use to knit. And then I do it, you know, I raw dog it. But yeah, decent little pouch. It's leather, imitation leather. I don't know what it says it is, but you know, there we go. Stainless steel for precision cutting and a beard mustache inside. Oh, good. Oh, good. Sideburns. That's good. I know that. I'm going to use it in the morning then. Beard comb. Made of sandalwood, by the way. Actual sandalwood. Ooh, it does say Everyman Jack. And it does have dent and dent. Right? Let me actually show you. Actually, I prefer the next thing for this. But yeah, it is sandalwood. It is actually wood, which is pretty. Actually, that's better because it is. I'm glad it actually is wood because, yeah. Now I can use this for hair only. As you see. Oh, wait. By the way, when my hair is like it looks like it's you know. And here's the beard brush, which does have Everyman Jack on it. As you see, more, you know, these are soft bristles, by the way. So yeah, that's what I bought, what I had got, because I figure if I'm going to be, if I'm going to have a beard, I might as well have it, you know. So yeah, anyway, the other side has my thing. This is the Everyman Jack beard grooming kit. I will be using the beard oil tomorrow because I have an appointment. So yeah, I'm putting it back how it is because I'm OCD about this type of crap. But yeah, it's really nice actually. It has nothing to do with survival. It's just, you know, if I have a beard, so why not? Anyway, Postbox Survival here saying God bless and peace. God's for us. Who can be against us?